Do you know the condition of your rails? Do you know exactly where they are located and when maintenance is needed? In many cases, this information is missing. Data is scattered, visibility is limited, and inefficiency is the result. With zentrak, our digital platform for track performance management, infrastructure becomes an intelligent system. Every meter of track speaks to us, delivering data, warning of damage, optimizing maintenance, and extending its life cycle. Robotic automation enables automatic tagging of digital touchpoints. Uploaded directly to zentrak, customers can easily access the Railmaster data by scanning the digital touchpoint.
Zentrak simplifies railway asset management by serializing all track components and providing the complete digital documentation in one portal, the Zentrak Customer Portal. From day one, we are optimizing the asset lifecycle with our software solution, streamlining data communication and enabling predictive insights. The result? More efficient processes, smarter decisions, and real value for our customers.
But it's not just about managing data. With zentrak, you can monitor, analyze, and interpret the track condition. Mobile measurement technologies can continuously capture track condition and visualize it in the linear asset management, including condition data from track tests. Zentrak monitors, analyzes, and interprets rail loads and vehicle track interactions, using sensor data from our mini checkpoint to provide the most precise assessment of track behavior.
Zentrak enables true predictive asset and maintenance management by providing live condition and performance data by key enablers like mini checkpoints. The goal is to turn real-time data into smarter decisions. Predictive maintenance in the railway context means shifting from a reactive to a data-driven approach. By using real-time condition data from your assets, you can plan your maintenance activities accordingly.
To manage this complexity, each module is interconnected within the zentrak ecosystem, communicating seamlessly with the others and offering a modular approach for all our customers.
With data analytics, we gain deep understanding of track system and transform complexity into clear and plannable action. Because resilience starts with foresight, and that's exactly what zentrak gives us. The future of track management is digital. That means data-driven, transparent and predictive, and that's why we need clear performance insights.
Voestalpine, one step ahead.